Hello and welcome. Today, in our new tutorial, we'll explain how to repeat a logo or design using Adobe Illustrator according to a specific shape. For example, if I have a square and I want to repeat the logo within that square so it doesn't go outside its boundaries, this is the method we call here pattern or pattern options. Let's take a look together. Here's the logo. The logo you want to repeat is here. Select it by clicking on it, then go to Window. Here we have something called pattern options. Yes, then click here. I choose Make Pattern. Alright, here we have the properties that I can control depending on the logo or the shape you want for repeating the logo. Let's choose this one, the second option here. Okay, this part is really important. It's about controlling the spacing so I can separate the repeats from each other. So here I have 3, maybe we can make it 6 centimeters together, and here we can make it 2 centimeters. Or if you see the spacing is too wide, you can make it 1 centimeter or 1.5 centimeters, whatever works for you here. We can also set it back to 4 centimeters. Yeah, that's fine. Or 4.5. Okay. Here, after I'm done and the design looks great, meaning it has reached the desired shape, I click here, Save a copy. I name it anything. For example, logo rolls. Okay. This way, the shape is saved for us in the swatches, which is the color palette. Great. Now I want to use my pattern. How do I open it? Any square or circle shape, or whatever is needed, I open it this way. Now I have a fill color. I select it, and then I go to the pattern and find it here. This is its name, Yarrow logo, in the swatches. I click on it, and I see the logo repeating according to how I made it in the pattern. Of course, as I mentioned, this can be applied to a circle, any shape I want, a star, anything. Here's a circle right here, as you can see, because I selected the Yarrow logo in the swatches. The star here is the same thing as well. So that's how we've reached the end of our explanation, or the correct method. I hope that together we've found the right or a quick way to repeat the logo or emblem according to the specific shape, or any shape you want. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more lessons and upcoming tutorials. Thank you,